Hi, here we have honors algebra 2 problem. That is, we have a function f of x equals to 5x to the third power positive 2, and we have to find f inverse of x. So actually, we have to do 4 steps to get inverse of any function. Step 1. So the step 1, in the given function, you have to replace this f of x by just y. Then you'll be getting y equals to 5x to the third power positive 2. Okay, now step 2. You have to switch this x and y, then I'll be getting x equals to 5 y to the third power positive 2. Okay, step 3, what you need to do is you have to solve for y in terms of x. In this equation, you have to solve for y in terms of x. That's step 3. Okay, so to solve for y in terms of x, we have to isolate y. For that, we have to subtract 2 from both sides of this equation. Let me do it over here. X equals to 5 y to the third power positive 2. I subtract 2 from both sides because my aim is to isolate y. Positive 2, negative 2 will cancel out. I get x negative 2 equals to 5 times y to the third power, or it can be written as 5 y to the third power equals to x negative 2. Okay, now I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So this 5 will cancel out. I get y to the third power is equal to x negative 2 over 5. Okay, now my aim is to solve for y, so I have to get rid of this exponent 3. So to get rid of this exponent 3, I have to raise both sides to the power of 1/3. So y cubed to the power of 1/3 equals to x negative 2 over 5 to the power of 1/3. Here on the left side, we can use the power of a power rule in exponents. That is, we have exponent 3 for y, and for this complete stuff, we have the exponent 1/3. So whenever we have two exponents like this, we can multiply the two exponents, 3 and 1/3. So on the right side, we have to write the stuff as it is, x negative 2 over 5 whole to the power 1/3. So this 3 will cancel out. So now I solve for y, that is x negative 2 divided by 5 whole to the power of 1/3. Okay, now I have completed step 3, that is, I have solved for y in terms of x. Okay, now I have to do step 4. In step 4, what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this y on the left side by f inverse of x. Okay, let me do it on the next page. So step 4. I replace y on the left side by f inverse of x, and on the right side, I write the stuff, whatever stuff I have on the right side, I'm writing as it is, that is x negative 2 over 5 to the power 1/3. Okay, now I got f inverse of x for the given function, that is x negative 2 over 5 to the power 1/3.